Okay, as you can see, I have a very bright yellow wig on, and it looks insane without any makeup on, but it makes sense because today we are doing the sun makeup look. So the sun is a great card to get. It is the card of positivity, creativity, happiness, joy. So if you ever get the sun in a reading, it's a good sign. So let's get started. I'm gonna use this CoverFX blurring primer and just put that all over my face. And now for foundation, I'm gonna use this Colourpop No Filter foundation in the shade Fair 25. This is a little light for me, but I kind of want to have like a very bright, shiny complexion today for the sun, so let me go ahead and do that. Then I'm just gonna go in with a damp beauty blender and just blend it all out. Now I'm gonna go in and brighten everything up even more with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Fair 02. And I'm just going to apply this under my eyes and to some of the high points in my face to just make me look very awake and happy. Now I'm going to go in with the RCMA No Color Powder, and I'm just going to bake everything on in the spots where I put concealer to make sure it's bright and set and doesn't crease, and then I'm just going to dust powder all over my face. So while that is baking, I'm going to use a brand new product that I've never tried that I'm super excited about. This is a Distinction Brow and Lash. It's a brow pomade in the color Orange You Glad. You can see it's a very bright orange. And I also got this really cute brush, perfect for brows. So I'm just going to fill in my brows, make them orange, make them pop. Yeah. So this is everything I wanted and more in a colored brow pomade. It's amazing. It sets so well, like it's not going anywhere. It's very opaque, and I think it's perfect. I love it. Yeah, and this is an awesome indie brand. They have every color you could ever imagine. They have powders, pomades, brushes, and they have lashes as well. Yeah, so I think those are some pretty orange brows. So now that we have that done, I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and just put powder over the rest of my face and blend everything out. So now I'm going to go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in light medium, and I'm just going to define my face a little bit more. And I like to use this Royal & Langnickel contour brush and then this nice chiseled brush from Real Techniques to just carve out my bone structure. And now for blush, of course I want everything to be very cute. So I'm going to go a little heavy on the blush and keep it centered to the apples of my cheeks and put a little on my nose as well to give me that like flushed, happy, joyous look. And I'm going to use this blush. It's called Cola and it's from Sparrow Cosmetics, which is one of my favorite indie brands. Their powder formulas are gorgeous. The colors are so unique. But yeah, this is just kind of like a rosy pinkish red. I think it's perfect for like a natural blushing look. And I'm going to use like my biggest blush brush because I just want to make sure that with a color this pigmented for blush, even when you're trying to be over dramatic, you want to go in slow at first and then build up, because if you go too far with blush, there's like no going back unless you like start over with your makeup. So always be careful with that. And this is Aesthetica P12 brush. Okay, so now that we look nice and cute and blushy, I'm gonna start working on my eye look. And the perfect palette for this is the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. There's these gorgeous bright yellow and orange colors, which is kind of the look I'm going for. So I'm just gonna start with this. So I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay Original Priming Potion. And just to set, I always set my eyeshadow with like a skin tone or white eyeshadow, just so there's a smooth base to blend into. So I'm just going to use this white shade from the Saucebox Etude palette. And just this fluffy blending brush. Now I'm going to take this nice tapered blending brush from Sigma, and I'm going to dip into this bright yellow and just blend it all over my eyelids. And it can be hard to get very, what's the word? Like bright pigmented colors like this to be opaque, just because they're so light, but so pigmented. So you might find with light colors like this that you have to put a little more time into blending, which is totally fine. Luckily we have amazing eyeshadow brands like Juvia's Place that have awesome formulas that blend very easily. So now I'm gonna grab this Morphe M505 tapered blending brush, and I'm gonna pick up this orange and I'm gonna put it in my crease. And I'm gonna grab this Luxie Precision Shader, and I'm just gonna repeat this yellow and orange on the lower lash line. And now for the lid color, I'm going to try something a little bit different. So I'm going to take this bright yellow glitter. It's called Pineapple Fizz, and it's from LA Splash. And I'm going to do that all on the inner corner in the first half of my lid. And then on the outer corner, I'm going to take this neon orange glitter from Dawn Eyes Cosmetics called Voxen, and I'm going to do that on the outer corner. So I'm going to try to do like some kind of glittery ombre effect, yellow to orange. And for glitter, I always use this NYX glitter primer. It's never steered me wrong. I love this stuff. I use it for a lot of different things. And it just kind of sticks it on there all day. I'm just going to use this little flat packer Luxie 245 and just kind of place that glitter on the glue. Now I'm going to pick up a little bit more of this primer for the outer corner. try to brush some of the glitter fallout off my face, but in the nature of glitter, it probably won't all come off, but I'm okay with that for this look because I am the sun, so I'm okay with a little bit of extra sparkle. And now I'm going to line my waterline with this Urban Decay 24/7 pencil and torch, which is a beautiful orange color, just so the bottom waterline stands out a little bit. And now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on a little bit of this Wander Beauty Unlashed mascara, which I love. We're just going to do it a little bit because I'm going to put lashes, falsies on after. So now for falsies, I'm going to use these really pretty fluffy lashes from Sparrow. I'm choosing these because I think they'll give my eyes a nice open, wide awake look, which will go along with the theme of the sun. So let's put these on. Okay, now that I have the lashes on, I'm going to do the most important part of this, which is putting freckles all over my face, which of course is what happens when you're in the sun, at least for me. And I just think this is going to add to the youthful, glowy, sunshiny look. So for freckles today, I'm going to use this Bang Beauty chocolate gel eyeliner. It's kind of like a perfect freckle color because it's not too cool and it's not too warm. And I'm going to use my all-time favorite freckle brush, which is a MAC 211. It's like perfectly pointy at the top, and you can do all different kinds of dots. So yeah, I'm going to put these all over my face. Alright, so now that we're nice and freckly, it's time to add some glow, some highlight, which is of course very important in this look. So I'm going to use two highlighters because that's what I do. So the first one I'm going to use is this Sydney Grace Pumpkin Spice Latte highlight, and it's just a gorgeous glowing orangey perfect highlighter. I love this so much. It's one of my favorites of all time. And I'm gonna grab this MAC 159 brush, which I love for highlighting, and I'm just gonna dust that generously on all the high points of my face. The other highlighter I'm gonna use is this Baby Bat Beauty Priestess highlighter, and it is just a perfect gold. And I'm just gonna add that a little bit to just pop a little bit more and add a little bit more dimension. The last thing to do is lips. So for the lips, I'm gonna go in with this bright coral tangerine color from my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. And I'm just going to use this lip brush. This is a Morphe M178. I love this palette so much. If you're a makeup artist, especially if you do jobs, you work on clients, this is such an amazing tool to have. You can basically mix any lipstick color in the world with these primaries and these neutrals. And yeah, I use it all the time. So I'm going to go in with this coral. For the final touch, I'm just going to top off my lips with this Sugar Pill Glint liquid lipstick. It's a metallic gold. I'm just going to put a little bit and then tap it on to make my lips look very full and shiny and gold. And this is just going to add to the overall glittery, sunny look. And that's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial today. I hope that you were inspired to bring some more positivity into your life. I always call upon the energy of the sun when I want to change my perspective and look at things in a good way instead of a bad way and be more optimistic. So I really tried to capture this cute glowing look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting up a lot more videos like this. And yeah, hope to see you next time. Bye.